in a cruise. Where we are going? Where we are going? Look, Yakshan. Where we are going? Yes, we are going in a cruise. Okay, form a train. Come slowly. Come, Avishi, come. Very good. Come, everyone. Form a line. Form a train. Where you are going? Where you are going? Come slowly. So, children, yesterday Manisha ma'am had taught you about the water transport. कल आप लोग ने पढ़ा है ना water transport के बारे में? Yes. So we have learned about rowboats and cruise. So where we are in the cruise. हम लोग कहाँ पे आए हैं? Cruise में. Yes. So see, that is a cruise. Okay. See, look here, children. That is a cruise, and the cruise is having the wheels, so it can move from one place to another. Okay, and cruise is used for a long distance. Yes, that is used for the long distance. आपको long distance के लिए हम लोग cruise में बैठते हैं. Okay, और cruise में काफी चीजें होती है, जैसे रेस्टोरेंट हम लोग अभी खड़े हैं. Yes, we get the restaurants also, and many people can travel at a one time. बहुत सारे लोग एक साथ जा सकते हैं क्रूज में. So you all stand and see. Yes, see, cruise is there. And there is also a cruise. See, the big. It is having the wheels, so it can move from one place to another in the water. Okay. So see, cruise cannot go. Cruise can come on the land. Land पे चल सकता है cruise? Who said that? No. Yes, because that is a water transport. Okay, so it can run in the water only. No one will come out. Yes, it cannot run on the land. Whether it can fly in the sky? No. Yes, it cannot fly in the sky. Very good. Okay, now children, after seeing, हमने cruise देखा? Everyone has seen the cruise? No. Yeah. You have not seen? Then why are you saying no? After that, now we will see rowboat. Yes, the rowboat is not having the wheel. No, na? What we use for the rowboat? Oars. Oars हम लोग use करते हैं ना? उसके help से हम rowboat को आगे तक लेके जाते हैं, right? Because it is not having the wheels, so it can't move automatically. And very less people can sit at a time, and that is used only for a minimum distance. Okay, हम उससे बहुत दूर तक नहीं जा सकते हैं rowboat से. Okay, do you all remember that rhyme? Row, row the boat gently. Very good, Avishi. Row the boat. See, that is a rowboat. See. He is coming. See, that is a rowboat. Everyone can see that. Chinmay, Shambhavi, Suryan, Soumya, Pranjali, see that orange color. It is a rowboat. Ashutosh, see that? Yes, it is a rowboat. Gently down the sea, merrily, 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 merrily. What? See, that is a rowboat. Okay. It is not having the wheel. Yes, Papa is coming now. Okay? We can't sit on there. Now it's not working, na? When that person will come who take that hose and it move from one place to another, after that only we can go. Okay? So, this is all called water transport. Okay? What is this all called? Water transport. Very good, Avishi. They can't run on the land. They can't fly on the sky, okay, because they are not having the wheels, and they can't fly in the air also, okay. So today we have visited Naukha Vihar and we have seen cruise and rowboat, okay. Yes.